Thanks to ever-evolving technology, gardening doesn't need to be a complicated process that requires serious dedication, skill, time, and space in general. Instead, smart homeowners can reap the benefits of indoor gardening without putting in a ton of dedication and contribute directly to making the world a greener place. In our video today, we're going to talk about 7 indoor gardening tips that'll be of much help to smart homeowners who prefer to work on an indoor garden. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Indoor lighting can make or break your plant's growth, so having customizable options is key. The LED grow light panel from the Hydroponic herb garden provides that flexibility. Its adjustable brightness settings allow you to tailor the light intensity to match each plant's needs, whether you're growing basil, thyme, or dill. For seedlings and young sprouts, keep the brightness lower to avoid scorching. Then, increase intensity as plants mature so they can photosynthesize optimally. The panel also lets you raise or lower the height as needed. Keep it closer for budding seedlings wanting intense light, then move it farther away for established plants. With these simple customizations, home gardeners can provide perfect lighting spectrums to nurture herbs and veggies from sprout to harvest. It takes the uncertainty out of indoor gardening and sets your plants up for vigorous, healthy growth. Watering indoor plants can slip our minds, leading to wilting and poor growth. Self-irrigating planters like the Garden Home Kit and forgetful watering woes through automated hydration. Garden's specialized hydraulic system delivers water straight to the roots on its own, so no more scraping the bottom of watering cans to reach thirsty plants. Once set up, this smart indoor garden monitors moisture levels and tops up its reservoir autonomously. If you do get busy and the water runs low, Garden will send handy alerts right to your phone. For travelers and busy caregivers alike, these self-sustaining irrigation features let your plants thrive with no fussy watering routine needed. Just set, fill, and let the system handle hydration, while you focus on enjoying watching your indoor veggies and herbs grow. While automation handles watering, indoor plants still need you to monitor their health. Connected sensors like those in AeroGarden's Bounty Elite Indoor Garden make oversight easy. Linking to Wi-Fi and Alexa-enabled devices, the Bounty Elite tracks key growth factors like moisture, light, and nutrients. Its digital display clearly shows plant food levels, reminding you when to add the included liquid fertilizer to nourish your herb and veggie garden. The moisture readout spots a lack of water, while preventing accidental overwatering too. With a fingertip check, these sophisticated sensors let you optimize light levels and quickly catch shriveling or discoloration to keep your mini garden vibrant. When paired with other smart features like auto timers, it balances automation with your watchful guidance. Microgreens pack a nutritious punch without demanding much space or time. These young veggie and herb sprouts explode with vitamins and minerals compared to their mature forms. Typically tricky to grow, systems like InGarden's Hydroponic Kit make nourishing yourself with microgreens wonderfully simple. Just set the pre-seeded nutrient pads in the sleek planter, fill them with water, and built-in LED lights and pumps automate the rest. No soil mixing, frequent watering, or complicated steps. InGarden handles the hard work for you. In just 7 to 10 days, use the included clippers to harvest perfect microgreens, ready to elevate your next meal with their lively flavors and dense nutrition. When every inch counts, microgreens grown with ease provide garden-fresh superfoods minus the typical challenges. Now that's ingenious. An indoor garden can be a gorgeous addition to your living space instead of being shoved in a corner. For green thumbs and design lovers alike, the modern Sprout Grow House blends bountiful harvests with chic decor. This LED illuminated planter bursts with a brass-framed style fit for prized positions on countertops and hanging displays. Optimized to nourish an array of greens, herbs, and succulents, it sustains vigorous growth while complementing both modern and bohemian aesthetics. The sleek design shapes an artful garden focal point that's sure to draw compliments. When your guests peek in, they'll be met with flourishing basil, arugula, and ZZ plants thriving under the grow house's specialized lighting. Bring your plants out of hiding and let this display-worthy greenery elevate your interior design alongside your home cooking. Urban gardening is all about maximizing harvests in minimal footprints. For indoor gardeners squeezed on space, vertical smart gardens like Garden, Rise Gardens, and Lettuce Grow's towering farm stand enable going up and stacking plants. These multi-level designs feature modular pods or slots that securely nest produce above one another, building vertically under uniform grow lights. Arranging plants up side by side as well as atop one another amplifies production in the same slim surface area. Salad greens efficiently inhabit the top layers while vining tomatoes and strawberries happily trail below. In under 2 feet wide, over 200 edible varieties can flourish. So when dealing with confined indoor space, utilize smart vertical gardens to grow upward, multiplying your bountiful harvests. Maximizing yield is all about mastering the third dimension. When soil seems messy and time-consuming, hydroponic smart gardens present a refreshingly fuss-free growing alternative, perfect for indoor spaces. All-in-one systems like the Rise Gardens Starter Kit, Aero Gardens Harvest, and Smart Garden. 9 Pro simplify plant care through self-contained, soilless designs optimized for countertops. Just add water and nutrients to their reservoirs, pop pre-seeded pods, or starts into the net pots, and built-in pumps deliver hydration straight to the roots. Automated lighting timers and nutrient dosing handle the rest for you. No daily watering, complicated DIY hydro, or heavy soil bags to lug. These compact hydroponic innovations make abundance from arugula to zucchini clean, carefree, and wonderfully achievable in cramped indoor conditions for both green thumbs and busy planting newbies. Well, there you have it, 7 savvy tips for utilizing indoor gardening gadgets to their fullest. From optimizing light and irrigation to maximizing flavor and space, smart home tech makes enjoying homegrown plants easier than ever. What clever indoor gardening hacks would you add? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.